Sunday something celebrate. I Sunday something celebrate. Uwayao, lele apanago. Uwayao, lele apanago. Yutuka mama, hingalula arabo, alwa kuwe na nege mongo. Yutuka mama, alula arabo, alwa kuwe na nege mongo. Mama yao, arabo, onigebe. Nene mongusike, wako mama, alagagaye. Mama yao, ni arabo, anitagime. Mama yao, arabo.
Yeah, sound check. Yeah, check 1, 2.
Yeah, check out. How it's done, Papa?
Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah. Boy, it's so good. You leave it more volume.
All right.
Then you leave it more volume.
All right, the man wants more volume.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Yes, I. Me sound much better. Me sound much better. Yeah. Yes, I. We good. Yeah. That's what I tell everybody who would watch the live, share the live, and this live will be one nice, short live tonight on June 22nd. One thing, support Monday, bring everybody together with love. That's how we do it. We start the week right. Yes, I support Monday. I like good night. Big up yourself. We don't want to tell her happy belated birthday, right?
Birthday boy.
Yes, sir.
What about it Friday? We have to celebrate this Friday.
Correct. DYFA the youngest
It's a big thing, and I think we're gonna take out camera and some angles.
Correct. Big Friday night. We are start off with the youth game day. Yesterday they got some youth game now. Ecumenical the back road. Sanctuary is ecumenical drive by the bridge. They got some youth game yesterday. And Mr. Laurie did place with that. But big up all of the youth who show up. Youth 13, youth and thing. Right the back road by the people that sell food, right? So big thing yesterday. Then after that, they got fathers here football day. Because Mr. Laurie have things for the fathers yesterday. That's what I say we're proud of Mr. Laurie. Keep up the good work.
Yes, young and some MC, man. Your birthday, man. We big you up on your birthday, a very special time. And you all know, right? You all young MC.
So
we want. Are you still the youngest? Because they get old, you know.
No, it's still the youngest.
You're still the youngest MC.
Me still the youngest.
Right.
Big up sport right?
It's an Uncle Packy show. This is Uncle Packy show.
Good tonight with the honor, yeah. That's what we have start off with. So NBL, right? Inside the NBL, defenders, knockoff, San Pedro inside the center. So defender will go for the champion again. Orange at Rummy Rebels. That would give a PL inside Billy Civic Center. Best out of 5. That will be Saturday, June 27th. We have we got good announcement for me tonight. Tonight, this announcement On July 4th, it will be a football game. 3 persons do it. Miyange, Meliwa Lima, and YG Promotion. First game will be Caesar versus YG. And then the second game will be B-Town and Mango Creek.
Why?
Vitals.
Yeah.
Because that game will be a good game that Karamus July 4th. And that will be on Saturday.
Saturday, man. Big game.
Big thing and big lineup that Karamus too.
Yeah.
Vida Mags, Big ZC, and YG songs at that Karamus. Because don't know, on a buy no ticket for Miyange, on check Miyange for ticket, or no go check me leave Lima or the YG crew. This game will be a promotion YG to get back.
Alright, true football. Nice.
Correct.
I like it, Pak.
I want to make sure make that date, July 4th, on the mark on the calendar for come out and support the thing. Support. Yeah, nice. Because they don't tell me, and me I don't play by play. They are nice. Moving on, we are left best for last. Mayor's Cup play over this weekend, Friday and Sunday game week 2. Week 2 start on Friday night with game 1. Proper Fit and Wagerale. That game 1 apiece right here in Sawasa. Tied about game late inside second half. And for Wagerale to put Wagerale up. 1-0 inside the first half is more other than Warren Mass on a penalty spot. Alright, here in Sawasa tied about game inside 90 plus minute. And tie it up 1-1 apiece. So big up Proper Fit and big up Wagerale. The game tie 1-1 apiece. And in game 2 on Friday night, Krieger Conquerors pull up a big victory over 4 Miles Salawi. 4-2. Moving on, we 2 select play on Sunday, game 1. Big up Placentia, the Saka strong, with 4-2 over Lakeland FC. And in game 2 for closer week 2, my team beat up, we're going to knock off 5-3.
All right, 5-1. Let's talk about that game. We know we got to talk about this. I want to talk about the 2 games. So the Lakeland FC game and who was that matchup against Placentia. Lakeland FC went put on the pedal way too late in that game. You could see Placentia dominate the first half.
Placentia dominate nearly the whole game.
No. The first half.
Wait. You remember, you know the out there from the start. You reach late in the second half.
No. I watched the entire second half because I went there. I went on the bench to see how these guys were doing. Right? So no say I got out there late. I got out there second half, yes, but before the second half started. And I watched the entire second half of the game. And Lakeland FC dominated that game. A lot of opportunities. It's Placentia retired.
Yes, that was true Placentia and that, but they defended 4 goals to 2.
But that scoreline didn't show really what happened. That scoreline, you say the guys came in late in the game.
No.
Go ahead, Pak.
Placentia start with a big line, with a good lineup. Then they play ready. That was true. So they're not right there. No, Lakeland play the full lineup. They play with.
Lakeland never play.
They bring in Pepper reach slate. Because you don't know once you reach slate, you know look for start, you not start.
Still want to attack, right? Because
then
you're sure. So
Pala, that the first keeper. And Pala start.
Well, I want to find no mistake and we don't find an excuse for because coming late. The coach has the game under control. The players, you just didn't capitalize, right? But the fans are on the line right now.
Correct.
Lakeland FC, just don't capitalize.
They don't capitalize on the break. And they keep out for Placentia this year. Well, big up Placentia, big victory over Lakeland.
Yeah, they did a wonderful job.
4-2. Moving on to the night game, the final cap.
You know, I have a fancy wish you happy birthday.
Okay, let's go to the final.
Erica John, it's happy birthday, nephew.
Thanks.
Yeah, and then you have Kenrick Rodriguez. Good night. Dion Serrano. Good night.
Good night.
Denzel Melendez, he said, more like big dog, happy earth, strong big dog, pack.
Don't set me leave, but you want to come up this Saturday.
Denzel is Saturday?
Yes.
Kenrick Rodriguez, what you hear to cause Dion Serrano? Good happy birthday, pack.
Thanks.
Shireen Cancio, Jason Chavaria, happy birthday, pack, and good night, coach. Good night.
Yes, I do.
Delia Miranda, happy birthday, Wadani, Paki Reyes.
Thank
Wow. Then you have little Gucci say, and make the apology to D-Shop. Whoa, man. Oh, man. Apology to D-Shop. We got on the back.
We do that.
We do that. All right. Good. So, moving on. So, we got up next. We will talk about this.
Moving on, game 2, Big Tongue and Graveyard. We get bombarded, so 5-3.
All right. You know when I said, look,
no,
some people, like you, Packy, I'll tell you to your face, like you're watching a game, you get over yesterday game, you're in the moment, right? You're in the moment. But you get thin skin, brother. I mean, you get thin skin when you the win. Nobody beat tongue everybody. You can't expect everybody to ride with beat tongue. Everybody got their own fans. You can't get next to people who ride with their own ride with their team. You understand? It's not just that, but just you ride. Who you ride with, ride with.
No, yes. You got a point. Me can't take lose like that. It hurt me. No. See what you say? Me that fans are beat tongue. The fans for Wabagari as well. When they go out there.
Well, we got up, yeah.
When they go out there, they want to tell the MC a whole bad thing. They want to tell the players a whole bad thing. That can't work because in there they only make the players come out of the game.
True. Now I got wait to
like watching it on Friday night. The fans they message AJ and I got AJ out there again.
Which AJ?
Terror.
The fans they message Terror?
Yeah, the Wabagari fans.
And Terror is from Wabagari?
Yes, and he play Wabagari.
All right. When the fans fan story. I know. I love the fans, you know.
The fans they love, but they have to know when and how to do it. They can't tell the player, oh, he that this, that. Then the player get out of the game and I want to fool. But I have to understand.
But
sorry about that.
The fans are part of the game, right? No, to players. Okay, let's start with the commentator. Let's break it down like this, right?
No, our commentator. Me I break it down for. Our commentator, we both does rule the game and not tell the players nothing. Because yesterday, maybe really you know, one spell, me start message Shanti. One spell, me call Shanti my legs, one spell. But that is not right for be the announcer, call the player's name. We don't have to announce a game and be neutral. That's for real, on real life. Because one of these days, say, we the mess around with the player call players. Like example, we call a player Cat.
What's her name?
Yeah, we call her Cat. Then once we call the player like let's say example, like, we call the player Gorilla or something like that. No, the players they're not want to deal with the big people like you and the one who announce. Who that want to trip pan? That want to trip pan who? Me?
Yeah.
No. Me just want to tell Shanti, sorry if we call her Margaret last night. And the players, me just have to tell her, me start calling her name on the mic. Me calling her by her real name or her third name.
Aye, that's a big man. That's a big man. Let me say something about it too. Let me put my sense in it. All right. Well, we have never. When you did that, you're a big man for apologize to Shanti. Thanks, and thanks for apologize for Shanti. From a commentator point of view, when we go out there, to have fun, right? We go out there and try make it live up the spot. That's what we do. We're not going about disrespect nobody. So I've never disrespected any player. We always make fun of different situations. You know, like when we go to say put it where it hurt, things like that. That's a part of it. You're not part of the game, you know, like players say a lot of stuff amongst themselves on the field for make them throw them off of the game. No, we're not there for that. We're there to enhance the game. We're there to you know what I mean? To make people feel like they're somewhere different, somewhere special. So if we ever call a player out of their name, that is wrong. We will never want to do that. That is wrong. And then, you know, on the live, when you talk about the referee, you know, cussing out the referee and think you was wrong.
Me I deal with that after this.
Yeah. So we want our fans to know that we don't tolerate
No.
that. We don't.
No, Saturday on Friday night. We not call the player's name, we are call them by the middle name or the first name. We don't know the name, we are call them by the numbers.
Well, you have some players.
No.
You know, we know players, you know.
Yeah, we know
players where so we were make some adjustments.
Yeah.
Definitely we will make some adjustments, you know, because you know they got players they're not like before. They players when you could run, they got some players you can't run joke with them there.
Yeah, got it.
Right?
Yeah.
They're thin skin, right? And they're easy to give it, easy to throw them off of the game. So we understand that. So we're not going to call them out of their name. But we have certain players where we know, you know, like Panamanian striker, you know, he love his name. You understand? He got some player. Who else got a name? He got like Philo. He love his name. You know what I mean? Ernest Shane Paddle, you know, they might love their name, you know. But once we don't like on the name, then just make we know we're not calling them by
we're calling them by the real name. Ernest Shane Paddle,
yeah.
Felix Martinez, like so we had start doing.
Yeah.
No, started on Friday.
Yeah, all right. That's what we're doing. So we want to do some big ups right now, right? Some people want to big up by Denzel Melendez again and Kendrick. We never know this show exists. Look at my boy, this Kendrick Rodriguez. It show big. So you go. No, we got Rice Jr. reach out and saying, all right, I don't read that one about custom department. Yeah, right. So we get to that one. He's in the custom department. No worry. When we both so we don't normally say we are talking about, we just say. We don't normally announce our show. Big up to Trisha Belisle and her husband Gila over in Wabagari in Briga. Yeah, Ken Rodriguez saying big up. Call me Paki, Denzel one call her. Yeah. We'll tell Denzel again. Bye.
Boy, we don't tell him nothing.
All right.
You gonna call me though?
Yeah. All right. You pa?
Yeah. Go. We have stopped to that.
Like David, they say big up by David. JD David, big up more from Graveyard Bombers. Right?
Big up.
Yeah.
Big up on themselves. Yeah, go. We just are not call the players by the fake name, I call it by the real name.
Yeah. Sounds good, man. That's what I did.
Then the last yesterday would be strong.
Well,
now I broke it down for now. Graveyard got out the whole. Graveyard got the whole of first squad, whole of first half. We be real. Our middle dead. Our middle dead, and we got man with message yesterday. But our middle dead. We don't go for a jarring board. when we get a call yesterday, we got a meeting. I think we got on a job work. We're back again on Jack on Friday night. But big up graveyard and we have the bigger guns. But we have but we went back for Johnny Boy and start do things. Like once when you are defending champion, everybody come for
Smart.
go.
Smart. Well, yeah, and you know, man, I try to find words to say about that because you hit it direct by the head pocket. This B-Town squad, everybody want to beat B-Town.
Everybody.
Just like when Conquerors was winning, everybody want to beat Conquerors.
That's the way
When you do a top, B-Town is a top-notch team, top-notch player. When you top, everybody wants to.
Everybody want
to deal with you, right? So that's
football.
Yeah.
Go we take we last, we got on the boy away.
And that is the way to do it. Go back on the drawing board. See where down. For me, I see the B-Town was holding off to the ball, holding on the ball too long. They were holding the man on the bus and man to get the ball. Man was in a position to receive the ball, to go scoring opportunities, and B-Town, the player was holding on to the ball way too long.
That for true, that is true. But we don't fit things back together on Friday. Moving on, standing for week 2. First place is Wabagari with 4 points, followed by Griga Kanka with 3 points. Then at second. In third place is Placencia with 3 points as well. Fourth place is Pomona Impact with 3 points. Fifth place is YBG Graveyard Bombers with 3 points. Sixth position is Proper Faith with 1 point. 7th position is Beacon Star with 0 points. 8th position is Salawi who great with 0 points. And in the ninth position is Lakeland FC with 0 points. Now, Wabagari don't play 2 games, Griga Kanka don't play 1 game, Placencia don't play 1 game, Pomona Impact 1 game, Graveyard 2 games, Proper Faith 1 game, B-Town 2 games, Salawi 1 game, and Lakeland 1 game. They got some team will have 7 more games remaining, and they have some team will have 6 more games remaining. Because this means it'll be nice, short, and sweet.
Yeah, I think each team is going to play
every week. But what team and get what rest?
Yeah, right. That I like it. Like I prefer it. These are the best me and stuff.
Schedule. These are the best me and stuff, and it's hard. You can't take no team like play.
Yeah, that Graveyard team, especially that Graveyard team, because you see Graveyard find money, so Graveyard to pay players now. So that makes a difference.
Well, a big difference too.
Yeah.
Big
kind of player. You see, Verdes players that play for Graveyard, who would have known? But they buy, they find money, so it's good for the sports, good for the level of football in
Korea.
Correct. Yeah.
Moving on this weekend, Friday night will be June 26th. Game 1 will be Proper Fit versus 4 Mile Week 3, and in game 2 will be no other than Wabagari versus Beacon Star.
You see again, the teams are playing them back football, they play every week. You know what I mean? So I like that.
That would be Wabagari third game. That would be Beacon third game, Proper Fit second game, and 4 Mile Salawee second game.
Mm-hmm. It's real nice. Now, like before we play a game, we used to like rest like 3 weeks before we play a game. Okay.
That was true.
Like 3 weeks before we play. Yeah.
No, we left best for love.
We want to pick up Jamal Tablala for cycling club too, man. The man that the champion for the junior 2026 junior time trial champion, right?
Yes, I big up yourself. Let's go to the fans. What the fans are the same?
Why the fans are really excited about your birthday. I know your birthday the top movement, but lucky RC not the lucky RC not the aim. Yeah. Dion Martinez, the man said, "Boy, pack him in the trip." Alright, let's give her a ticket, man.
No.
Hold his pocket.
Wait. Me just want to tell me leave a D-Show, Victor D-Show, will you? sorry for you got on this last night, but and I have to understand we can't accept losing come that trip. But Disha, sorry we got on last night, sorry for Carlo, the B word and the A word. I'm sorry. Right? Yeah, God. Make
When man, Disha William, Victor William, I call him man right now for live man, see what the man there. In the meantime, I'll give her a ticket back.
me well, let's go give that ticket.
Yeah.
Whole world packet tonight. You win a free ticket.
Whole packet.
Whole me
So
tonight.
the ticket, zoom in for
You win a free ticket for DYFA 50th birthday
Yeah,
bash. Island, Barangil. Only line up will be no other than a bad man. Super G, Vida Magdalena, Heidi, Tola and the shit bad. The man who sing culture food, Mr. Mohamed Flores, no one Garifuna hype beat, and no other than the man we say, give me a flower, reckless.
You know the guy?
Flores. See the ticket there?
Just type it in
Love
live.
typing on live how world packet today when I say a free ticket for DYFA 50th birthday bash. Wanna going out Friday? I'm not going out Saturday, because Saturday will be Griga Fort and Royal Park Fest. That all help in the park and after bash will be no other than no other than what? Why not Island? Big lineup after bash. Big to see reckless Forest, Vida Magdalena, Sweet Pain 3.0. Big lineup. Big lineup.
Just type it in the live, get it, and then type on answers in live.
Big lineup big lineup Saturday. And big lineup Friday, cause no rest for the weekend. But I will not be here. I will be inside Billy City for watch.
Hello?
Game man.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dish, good night, bro.
Go ahead.
Good night.
Yeah, good night, brother. Good night.
Yeah, man.
Good night, Disha. Good night, Dish.
Man, the car for apologize, man.
What it be told us or what?
Disha. Aha. Good night, Disha.
Yeah.
Disha. Last night when the game done, right?
Yeah, man, here for
You listen, Disha?
I listen to it. Yeah.
Last night when the game done, me start trip and because you out last night. When the game done on the live up, you know what? The live they pick up me. Go me that's what I tell her. Sorry for we got that last night.
You hyping.
Yeah, we done, we hype. Because we don't like take last in like that. And I too much me take.
Yeah, so I mean,
Alright, Paki.
yeah, I mean, try console the man Dish. I mean, try console her last night. I mean, normally when we don't we lose, we don't know if we are see this man the next day, right? So we know he head light when we don't lose.
It's just a game. Hey, you always remind me like
yeah.
You always remind me it's just a game.
Just a game, man. Just a game. I have to we live to see another day.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's man why I have to schedule. I don't know how much more schedule I put, but this man hit me run out of schedule.
Yeah, soon enough.
Run out of schedule.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you on the live, man. I know the people are hearing the voice right now, so that's why we're calling you. Because the man committed a sin last night, right? So we just want to make sure.
The games feel good right now, man. The games feel good right now.
Yeah. Big the game play wonderful.
Yes, man.
Good game. We hope for you on Friday again. We play Friday again.
Man, tear the ticket, man. If you fetch it up, man, tear the ticket. You don't apologize. All right. You don't apologize to Disha, ready?
I can remember last week for the live, you say, you are Bungs back, you know.
Tell them why.
So we haven't seen the Bungs back.
We have to try to do it Friday.
We now put the energy out there.
We do it.
2 games.
Yes, man.
two in a row, the man. I don't know if they will get up, but this like graveyard blow some dust in their face. The other day, they can't get up yet. It's still down.
Bye.
One of the.
I think that's possible, you know, right?
Yeah, I think yeah, football hurt
Yeah.
and it's sweet at the same time.
Yeah.
But some people they say because our curse on pressure pills and our oxygen tank. Wow.
No, man, you don't need that. You don't need that.
But not the way they roll up to you.
All right. Remember this thing in the heart, you know. All right? We have to do something about there, play with the heart. That's all.
Well, the one got a weak heart. The worst the fact. If the man team they stand up and he drop.
I don't know what that.
Packet team they stand up and packet look for drop. The man got a weak heart. I have to carry pressure pills up there.
I don't know about that. That's all. Yeah.
All right, let's give up. All right, these thanks, man. Thanks for picking up the call tonight.
Thank you, Alicia. And sorry we got that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Don't say it. Big up yourself.
But still keep up the hype.
Yes, sir. That's how we do it.
Yes, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that was the show. We love this. I tell my car and Paki step out the line, so I have to clear it up. But he's a man. Paki is a man. All right, so let's see now who win, Paki. All right. Hold on, let me see who we got here. All right, somebody say the first one, Paki Bird. You're giving away a ticket. Show the ticket. Zoom in for the ticket. No. And you have in a big tongue tattoo hurt your point birthday to Paki. Oh, why? Oh, boy. Did it come after you? Why? The fans come after you? Why? The fans come after you. Oh, man. All right, now we got Jason Chavaria. He's saying, all right, somebody said 21.
Correct.
Hold on. Now, hold on. Let me see the first person who said 21 by 21. Denzel, boy.
Boy, the man win.
Denzel, congratulations, Denzel. Hey, but come and pick up. You have to pick up the ticket tonight.
Tonight.
Good, that night. And this is courtesy of Jude Belize from Asia. Right?
Tonight. You have to reach
and pick up your ticket tonight in the next half an hour.
You have to reach here before 10 o'clock. Right now, our time 9:06.
So we have to go eat up there. We have to careful eat, right?
Yeah,
good. For birthdays, we have to be careful eat. And Jen, the cameraman.
You have to reach here before 8:20.
Yeah, come and get the ticket. All right. Okay. Gilberto say, I'm locked in, Paki. Happy birthday, bro. Give away 2 tickets for you. So 2 for Friday and 2 for Sunday. Yeah. All right, cool. All right. No. Did I get another ticket?
We are getting another ticket.
You another ticket courtesy of True Belief from Asia. Okay. Another ticket. Let's go back.
Another ticket. Give me 3 artists who are there DYFA birthday bash.
Wow, easy question to buy. Easy question.
And they're right for the screen.
Why, Paki? You just give a ticket to buy.
What are you doing?
Paki just give a ticket to. We'll say how much artists?
Are they
3 artists for the show.
And you get yourself a ticket. Zoom in for a ticket, then. Zoom in for this. And then, right screen, cross the screen.
All right. Then the GC said, Super G, Mohobo. Hold on. Super G, Mohobo Reckless.
Correct.
Congratulations.
Well, you have to call the stereo.
Correct. Now pick it up.
9:20 or well.
Then by the gate right now. The cameraman is by the gate right
Then
now.
by the gate, they wait for now. You have to call for the ticket by 8:20 because we have to go to Ireland, go eat, go celebrate the birthday. Yeah. What are young lady? Who is she? So please make sure you call 820. We got
Come
12.
on, scoop up on a ticket right now. Come on, scoop up on a ticket.
Denzel Menendez can receive your ticket right now.
Why? I want to big up the sponsor, West Truck.
Big up West Truck.
West Truck, big up. Why? Rude, why?
Rude boy. Rude boy.
Rude boy, right? Big up Rude boy.
Sit there.
Rude boy, big up Rude boy.
Big up Rude boy.
Yes, man, we know. Just come on, all right. Good. So,
What you say?
all right, Paki,
See the
anything
call?
else? Yeah. All right.
All right.
Good.
Well,
Big up Rude boy, thanks for the sponsor. West Truck, thanks for the sponsor. Right? No zoom into big dreams and then one on camera, man. Don't get carried away. We want people to see the thing. We don't have nothing to look faggy. Jubilee's Foundation, thank you very much.
just that Kanayaki.
And we will deliver some tickets tonight, so right?
All right.
We got some people who buy 10 tickets. Right? Look, ladies and gentlemen, the ticket they go fast. Very, very fast, right? Good.
Denzel and young lady, please call before 8:20. And I got 10 more minutes remaining.
All right, there you back. We have to go deliver a ticket anyway, so.
Well, where about the young lady live?
Right down the street.
Okay, then we call her, yo. Because we have to go to Island before Island shit. Well, me just tell everybody, see you on Friday night.
Yeah, tomorrow we got more black more giveaway tomorrow.
Yes.
For sure. We'll have a serious topic to discuss tomorrow, right? So
And we got on for support Rod, no germ.
yeah, no Sun Coast Raw. Got more tickets to give away.
Yes, go. You know what, everybody? I will say we see you on Friday at football. Game 1 Profit and 4 mile and in game 2 beat on our girl. We'll see you on Friday. And after that, I will lead to Islands, Bar and Girl, DYFA and youngest announced a 50th birthday bash. This year the area, next year my birthday bash. We out. DJ. What be that, She said, drink a robot, I will do it. You don't have good. She said, drink a robot. You don't have good. She said,
so when we young and we active, living we life. So when we drink, we drink it. When we drink, we drink it. All this lady, I see we everything in the vibe. So when we drink, we drink it.
good boy.
So when we drink, we drink it. Why? DYFA Garifuna radio station. DYFA Garifuna. Hey, you guys ready to bounce all over the place?
Eminem's Fun Place, your favorite playground. Your one stop for all things fun. We're located at Turtle